Well, hello, my sparkly divas. Today I am doing an unboxing that I got from BRC. I did a order with her, and I mean, just look at this packaging. Oh my gosh, I love it. And I love how she does her packaging. Ta-da! Isn't it so cute? Oh my goodness. They're so beautiful. And on the back of them, you have her logo. I love them. Oh my goodness. I love them. I love them. I love them. And then the same thing with this one. And I love the tape that she uses to hold them together. And then this is her card that I got, with a whole bunch of little goodies inside. We'll go through them in a second. And the letter says, "Hello, darling. Thanks so much for your order. I hope you enjoy everything. Here's to us." So, wilding a marvelous working relationship. Building a marvelous working relationship and friendship. Thanks again, Brandy. BRC Nails. So, yeah, I couldn't read it because of the tape right there. But you guys get the idea. So, here is her social medias. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this off right here, just for the video. And I am going to keep this right in the middle, so you guys can see it. And I'll leave her links and everything down below in the description box, and her website, so you guys can go on there and get you guys some beautiful goodies. So, let's begin, shall we? So, I got some beautiful dragons. Aren't they just gorgeous? Oh my gosh, I love them. I love them. Love, 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 love them. So, and it shows you on the back how you can put them on. Very simple. And then these, oh my goodness. At first, I thought they were, like for the coffee shop, Starbucks. But then I found out that they are for actually Louis Vuitton. So, I learned something new. Yay! Whoop, whoop! So, they're very, very beautiful. I love the color shift in them. Oh my goodness. And then we have, speaking of Louis Vuitton, we have some beautiful neon orange. You've got Louis Vuitton, you've got Fendi, you've got Gucci. Just a whole bunch of nice little stickers here. And then we have it in the fuchsia. Very nice. I love the fuchsia. Now, my daughter and I were arguing who was going to get this one because she loves the neon. So, and they're raised up. They're not flat stickers. So, they're really, really cool. And this one, I just love it. I'm going to try. I hope you guys can see it. But they're hearts. They're iridescent hearts. And as you shift the hearts, you can see inside of the hearts a smaller one. And then you have, all around it, you have like little circles, and it kind of looks like little flowers. They're really, really beautiful. And this one, oh my goodness, I love this one. This one's really hard to see, but they are stars. They're all different types of stars. So I really hope that you guys can see that. It's really, really hard to catch it on camera. I'm trying really hard. So, and then we have some more cool looking stickers. And who doesn't want some Coco Chanel stickers, right? So that is what was inside the card. So we're going to stick that back inside the card. And now we're going to go through some of these goodies. So in this one, I really love how she did this tape on them. Oh my goodness. Excuse me. So we have a whole bunch of things here. We have some silver leaves. They're just gorgeous. Some more leaves, but they're a different type than the other ones, and they're silver. And then these are like, I don't know, I like the little design on them. They're like, I don't know, they're a leaf. On one side they have like little grooves on them like a leaf does. They're really cute. And this one that I dropped is more leaves, different shape of leaf. So beautiful to be able to do with your flowers, or, you know, whatever you're doing that you can add a little life to. And then these are magnets. They're sticking to each other. So you can create, like, if I can get them apart. See? They're magnets, but they're sticking together. But yeah, they are very, very strong.
Carlos.
And now, these, oh my gosh, I love these. I had to get these. I had to order these. These Cameos are simply stunning. Just look at that. Look at the detail on them. Oh my gosh. I cannot wait to do a nail set and use these. And again, here is some more magnets, but these ones are for spinners. So you can put whatever you want on the nail, and this little magnet here, you'll be able to use it, put them together. There's two of them there. I don't know if you can see that, but there's two of them in there, and they're connected. So that is that one. Now we have one more baggie to go through. Get them in there now. There we go. Oh my gosh, I just love these bags, guys. Okay. So now we have this one. And I will be trying to put in a little picture, a separate picture of the product and the price. So if you guys are interested, please, 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 please go check Brandy out. She's an amazing person. She's a sweetheart. She will bend over backwards for whatever she can do to make your ordering very pleasant. Now little bitty pine cones, or no, pineapples, the sun, and like a little star, a little seashell. You got quite a bit in there. And these ones are basically the same thing, but these ones have different type of seashells in there. Also, it looks like a little bitty palm tree, a little turtle, and I love these. It's a lady. It's a side profile of a lady. I hope you guys can see that because they're really, really beautiful. Really beautiful. Actually, Sassy Fantasy is going to be doing a video shortly with those in them. And then I had to have these. These, oh my gosh. So they're like door knockers almost. But you can put a jump ring through them, and then you can attach them to the nail with a jump ring. And you can have a dangle. So there's a whole bunch of different types in here, and you can use jump rings with whatever you want on there. I thought that was really, really cool. I had to have that. My gloves want to stick to everything but what they're supposed to stick to. Oh, and lastly but not least, Oh my goodness, can you guys just check out these cute little duckies? I love these duckies. Do you see the glitter that's in them? Oh my, they are so cute. And they're not too large. I mean, if you put them on a nail, they're not big at all. Sassy actually just did a video using the duckies going across each one of her fingernails. It came out so cute, and she had a little bunny spinner on them. And then we have, it is an animal print, but they're like crystals. So you can use your gem glue gel or even a top coat and stick them right on your nail. They're so cute. And these, oh my gosh, I'm definitely going to be ordering more of these. I love these. They're flowers, but you see how some of them are just a regular, like, transparent flower, but then the other ones are like an aurora flower. Lots of beautiful color in there. Don't know if you're able to see a camera, but yeah, they're very beautiful. And then we have some dragonflies. Dragonflies have 2 crystals on their back, and then they have a beautiful, high polished color that goes around them individually. They're very beautiful. And then we have these little flowers. Oops, my glove is sticking again. And I love these, oh my gosh. They're roses. Look at that rose. Oh my gosh, look at the color that comes off on that. So beautiful. And these are the same roses, but these are like an aurora or an AB. Look at that color. It's a rainbow color that comes through. They're so beautiful. And one more little thing to show you guys. Me and Sassy are going to be doing a collab. I believe her video is already up. So I'm going to be going a little late, but she did a really cute set with a little bunny butt coming out of the ground. And so she has eggs on it and everything else. They just look really cute. So these are also these. They're little flowers, and this is a mix that she made herself. You've got, like, it almost looks like a little clothespin or a safety pin, you know, like, and it's got different size flowers along with some pearls, little size pearls, and some beads in there, along with some micro beads, gold and silver. And then you have these ones, they're in pink. Also some pearls in there too. Very beautiful. So I'm going to be using this set, these on a set of nails. And then these, oh my gosh. Can you guys just say how freaking cute are these? Look at these little bunnies. Oh my goodness. I love them. I love, love, love them. I cannot wait. Can you see these on a nail? A spinner nail. Oh my goodness. You can see the little bling around them. I love them. And then these little leaves. Oh my gosh, they're just so cute. I cannot wait to play with them. And then look at these guys. Oh my gosh. Where is my light? Here it is. So these are wings, angel wings, and I simply love them. They're different colors. Oh my goodness, I love them. So what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to show you. I'm going to shut this light off, okay? But I'm going to keep that one on just so that you guys can see. And it's still a little daylight here. Look at that. Can you guys see that? They are glowing. Oh my gosh, I love them. So I'm going to be using these on a nail set here very. So that is everything that I received from BRC Nails. Please guys go over and take a look at everything that she has. She has reduced her pricing on a lot of products. It is amazing. She also really specializes in when I think of BRC, I think of kawaii charms, because wow, she's got everything. So please go take a look at her and her shop. I will be leaving all the information down in my description box. Thank you guys for popping on over and watching all the little beautiful things that I got from BRC. I hope you enjoyed yourself as much as I enjoyed showing you guys everything that I received. So, until the next video, guys, please be safe out there, take care, and God bless.